Hey guys, in this video, I shall create a code in jQuery to hide Bootstrap's responsive navbar when user clicks outside it. I have created one Bootstrap page with navbar. When I convert user interface from desktop to mobile version and click on hamburger icon, the menu appears and same button is used for hiding it. Let's create a script tag. Write a function which shall run as soon as the whole page loads. And first we are going to check if jQuery is working or not. Let's refresh. When I click, it shows the alert message. Now comment it just for now. Now we have to observe which one is the main class which shows the navbar. As there are different types of navbar for each version of Bootstraps, only the class's name will differ from me, but overall the process will be same. When I toggle, this part is the topmost part which is changing its class. So we have to copy the classes of both toggle, button and navbar division. As there are different jQuery versions, one of them is applicable for your version. For me, the second one works, so I am going to comment the first one. Now we are getting the class name of elements where we clicked. We shall use the if-else statements and check if the class is same as navbar's class or not. However, there are some classes which are inside the navbar, so to find out if we click inside navbar too, we shall use this code in alert box. Now if we click outside the navbar, it shall give 0, but if we click inside navbar, it shall give 1. So we shall also use it inside if-else statement. We shall put if statement empty and use the else part. Here if we check, when the navbar is expanded, there is an in class present with it. So in code, we have to find out if navbar has the class in with it or not. If yes, then we shall auto click the toggle button. Let's refresh. It is not hiding when I click inside the navbar, but is hiding when I click outside. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.